Wasn't really like doing anything new. I wasn't learning any new skills. I was just kind of staying in the same spot, not really changing. I'm 22. I did 1 year of college at UC Berkeley and then sort of realized that college wasn't my thing. I don't really like sitting around not doing anything, which is basically what you do in a classroom. I am learning, but we are out. I'm moving my body. I'm not sitting in one spot for 2 hours on end. I didn't realize that there was so much trail work. Whenever I would be walking in a state park or something like that, I always just assumed that they just cleared some bushes out of the way. But here we're moving logs to create foundations. We're creating retaining walls to keep the dirt from falling onto the trail. Especially if they don't know what they want to do, because before I came here, I was just working the same kind of jobs, didn't really know what I wanted to do. And within the first 2 weeks, I was interested in several programs, and it's just a good opportunity for work and a good opportunity to get into programs that you didn't think that you'd even want to try.